Hello friends, welcome back to Aditya Head Mathematics. In this video, I will explain the solution of a very difficult question of the problem series on real analysis of the topic sequence series using shortcut methods. It is a very interesting and difficult question, and this question already came in session at June 2018 3-mark question. The difference log 2 minus summation of n equal to 1 to 100 1 upon 2n into n, you have to choose which option is correct. First option is less than 0, second option greater than 1, and third option is given less than 1 upon 2 power 100 into 101, and fourth option is greater than 1 upon 200 into 101. So since in this question given as log with some summation, so here we have to use the trick of log 1 plus x series. This series you have to remember to solve such type of MCQ questions in any entrance examinations. Log 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. That means alternatively signs are changing, and this series is valid for x lies between minus 1 and 1. And from the same series we can write the series for 1 minus x. Log 1 minus x, just in place of x you put minus x, right side x plus minus x, and when x square we are putting minus x whole square x square only, so same sign we are getting minus, but here it is power is odd given, so sign is negative, but here power is even, so minus power 4 is plus, but sign is negative, so like this it is coming. Then how to solve this question? Just we will start from the log 1 minus x series. Here just you take minus common. And this series, what I am writing, minus 1, 1 where x lies. That means, in other words, we can say mod x is less than 1. After that right hand side you take left hand side. So here you are getting minus log 1 minus x. And this one x means we can write x power 1 by 1. Here dot is there. That means it is an infinite series. So that we are writing summation of n equal to 1 to infinite. Up to infinite series it is given. And 1, 2, 3, 4 like this it is coming up to infinite. So x power n by n. Okay. So total infinite terms are given. So we are writing n equal to 1 to infinite. And right side, that minus you take 1 minus x power. So left side you write same thing only. And 1 minus x power minus 1 means 1 by 1 minus x. Here just we are using the properties of logarithm. If m log x is there, that means its value is log xm. Since here minus 1, so power is. Now you can see this question is given log 2 here 1 by 2n into n. Since the series is given 1 by 2n into n, if we will put x value is 1 by 2, we will get that series. So here put x equal to 1 by 2. Then x power n means 1 by 2 power n into n. Here also you need to put x value is 1 by 2. So log 1 by 2 coming, and this is log 2. But in question you have to find out the value of log 2 minus summation of n equal to 1 to 100 1 by 2n into n. So now here you just write the value of series first from n equal to 1 to 100, because in this question you need to find 100, then plus, since you are writing up to 100, then again you need to write from 101 to infinite, and here write 1 by 2n into n, here also write 1 by 2n into n, and the middle sign is plus, right side is log 2. So now we will keep this first term right side, so that we will get log 2 minus what is given in this question. So here log 2 you have to write minus sigma n equal to 1 to 100 1 by 2n into n equal to, that means this term I am taking right hand side, this term, and the second term we are writing left side only, which is sigma n equal to 101 to infinite 1 by 2n into n. Now you can see this, it is a positive quantity. If you find from n equal to 101 up to infinite this series, it never be negative. So the first option is given less than 0. Now you can see log 2 minus summation of n equal to 1 to 100 1 by 2n, the same value you are getting this. So the first option less than 0 is wrong. Now we will look at this only B, C, D, which is a correct option. So first of all we have to expand this series to get the answer. So just you do one thing, put the values from 101. So it is coming to power 101 into 101 plus next 102 into 102. Just n value you are putting. Now the question is given, you can see the second option is given greater than 1, but C, D option is given with 101 as the denominator. So we are doing one thing, all the denominators, if you are writing 101, then what is happening we will see. Actually we are writing the denominator is less as comparison to that one. When denominator will decrease, obviously its value will increase. So that what we are getting this, it is less than, because here denominator you can see 102, here 103, here 101, here 101, or other terms like this only. When denominator is more, obviously the value is less, and when denominator is less, the value is more. So here denominator we are getting less as comparison to this one, so it is greater than that previous series. Okay, so now you can take common from the each term, so it will be 1. Here 102 is given power, but we are taking 101, so 1 by 2. Here 103 power, but we are taking 101, means 1 by 2 square. Like this it will come. So you are getting 1 plus r square series. Now just use the value. You know its value is 1 by 1 minus r. R means 1 by 2. Here I am writing the value also for your understanding. 1 plus r square up to infinite series given means its value is 1 by 1 minus r, but r value must be less than 1 mod r. Since 1 by 2 is given, 1 by 2 less than 1, that's why we are writing. So now it is coming 1 by 1 by 2 and 2. So here 2 power 101, here 2. So now you can cancel this. It is 101 minus 1 because its power is 1. So now you are getting 100 into 101, but here it is less than given. Okay, so the value of this log 2 minus summation of n equal to 1 to 100 1 by 2n n is less than 1 by 200 into 101. So you can see option C is correct because it is given less than. Since it is a single option question, all other options are wrong. So you can watch my all other problems of this problem series, the links given in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Also give your comment. Thank you for the watching.